to welcome you to the 9th International Conference on Business and Economic Development, jointly organized by the Center for Business and Economic Research, UK, and Medgar Evers College of the City University of New York, USA. The Center for Business and Economic Research recognizes the importance of the individual and the value to be gained by knowledge sharing and heuristic learning. While we all appreciate that the situation around COVID-19 is extremely fluid and we all sympathize with those who are affected by this pandemic, however, we do not want to lose the opportunity to engage and share our research output with colleagues around the world. In collaboration with our executive committee members and conference hosts, we have decided to organize this conference virtually. Considering this, we have taken steps to ensure we consider the best practice for online events. Just let me put this one. At this stage, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to Dr. Joanne Rowe, Dean Business School, Medgar Evers College, for her unconditional support and to organize this conference virtually. We understand that this will not be the full, well-loved, and exciting face-to-face conference experience, but still, this is a great opportunity for all of us to gather, collaborate, and share intellectual insights. For the past 6 months, it has been a journey of inspiration and perspiration in planning, designing, organizing, and executing various tasks associated with this virtual conference jointly with their colleagues. We thank all our committee members, tech chairs, reviewers, especially you, in making this virtual conference successful. I would like to convey my warmest gratitude again, Dr. Rowe, for her support and close cooperation to make this collaboration to host the conference jointly. We have been doing this conference for the last 4 years, the joint conference. No conference of this significance just happens, and I have been fortunate to have encountered tremendous professionalism in those who have helped put this event together. I would like to extend my gratitude to Raquel Bennett, Professor Veronica, Roxana Foster from Medgar Evers College, Mark T. Jones from SEAL, Center for Innovative Leadership Navigation, Dr. Bonia, Suchitra Polash, Mukta Khanum, and Sujata De from CBR. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to New York Life Insurance Company for supporting this conference, being a sponsor. We have received over 120 submissions, including full text and abstracts. However, 87 papers were accepted after the completion of review process. Finally, over 60 papers were registered for the oral and video presentation. It is an honor for all of us at the MEC and CBR to have with us New York State Senator Kevin S. Parker, a prominent New York State legislator, Dr. Evelyn Castro, Vice President for Student Affairs, Medgar Evers College of the City University of New York, Professor Chris Bellamy, Professor Emeritus of Maritime Security at the University of Greenwich, Dr. Matthew Putman, co-founder and CEO of Nanotronics USA, Alice Agyemang Badu, a senior partner for New York Life Insurance Company USA, Professor Dipraj Mukherjee, Kent State University USA, Professor Husainova Khatira, the Academy of Public Administration under the President of Republic of Azerbaijan, Dr. Joanne Rowe, Dean Business School, MEC, and Mark T. Jones, Center for Innovative Leadership Navigation, UK, as a keynote speaker. We firmly believe that this conference will help you significantly in your pursuit of research, scholarship, and practice, and aid in supporting your future career development. We have full confidence all delegates will have a very appreciable, successful, and stimulating conference and productive time in which a lot will be learned and a lot will be remembered. This conference is a fitting reminder of the need to be outward looking, of the value of benchmarking, and the paramount importance of putting research into public domain, especially internationally. No nation can afford to be complacent. If globalization teaches us anything, it is the need to learn from others, to adapt, and constantly strive to improve our offerings. all connected with the Center for Business and Economic Research are grateful for your trust and willingness to place your research into the public domain at such an event. It is always a joy to welcome back old friends of the center as well as to meet new participants eager to engage in a positive and purposeful manner. It is also a particular pleasure to note that a number of international observers have decided to join us for the duration of the conference. It is our earnest wish that all participants will uh, feel fully engaged, ready to ask searching yet constructive questions, and eager to learn. I want to thank our host, sponsor, and most importantly, all of you who have invested time and energy to be with us today. I wish you all a successful, productive, and enjoyable conference. Again, thank you for joining with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Datta. Am I right, Dr. Datta, that we're now going to have a short video clip from Dr. Joanne Roell?
Yes, Mark, I'm going to share it now. Give me a few seconds while I'm preparing this. This is a pre-recorded video I have to share.